That's good to bring out.
Yeah, it is. And Mark Phillips, he died in this case, so it's a very sad case, Michael. When we talk about the charges, second-degree reckless homicide, the elements, that's of course what's going to be important, and the state has to prove that she caused the death of Mark and that she caused the death by criminally reckless conduct. Do you think the state has met that burden?
It's close. It's close. It's a great question. I was hoping you wouldn't ask me that question because I don't have an answer to it, because it's such a great question. Did they do it? Because she was the last person to see him. And they had a heated argument, and she clearly loved him. And, you know, they were almost like in the middle of nowhere. Like, what's the likelihood that a mailman ran him over at midnight on a Friday night? It's not likely. What's the likelihood that a friend, and it's snowy outside, everyone's driving slow, everybody's careful, whereas there were footsteps, footsteps coming in and out towards the car. She was there. She went, slept in the parking lot of a hotel, came home at 2 in the morning, didn't see him. I think they did, because the elements don't say that she premeditatedly murdered her husband. I think they did. It's close. It's so close. But I think I'm leaning towards saying they have met that burden, because that burden is recklessness. It's not intentional.
Right, exactly.
Very true. And it sounds like, Michael, that you're saying that it was a good thing that she took the stand, which is rare sometimes to say that for defendants.